Hello YouTube! I was waiting for such conditions for a while and I hope today finally I will see a little bit of sun through the fog in this misty forest. So I've got a piece of the blue sky and a bit of the sun trying to shine through the splashes between the clouds. Ooh. And before the fog disappears completely, I have to take at least several shots just in case, just because I'm here. I've got a little bit lower just to catch the fog, which is getting down to the valley from the top of the mountain. And I see some amount of fog here and it's beautiful, but also I see a lot of flowers. I have to check the name of this exact flower species. I will put it here on the screen. F4.5 ISO 50 1/250. Sun started to shine through the fog as I predicted, but it's not that beautiful actually. Now I'm trying to hide behind the shadow of some pines to catch with sun with the fog. In this situation I have to expose for the highlights. So many flowers down below. Let me show you. Can you see all these white splashes? And if you have something like this, some type of flowers that shows up right in the moment the snow has melted, let me know in the comments how do you call this type of flowers. If I try to translate the name of these flowers to English from my native tongue, it should be something like undersnows, the flowers that start to bloom under the snow. I'm not sure. Freaking unpredictable. A moment ago, the half part of the sky dome was blue sky. Now I've got no sun, no blue sky. Probably that means the fog will rise. Make your bet in the comments. I have an idea. Maybe I should cosplay Courtney Victoria and try to take some close-ups of these flowers. I've got no macro lenses, but I can try. Can I? And get rid of this dropped branch. I'll try to lit up a bit of these flowers, and I'll try to set your camera in the way you can see it. These are my two flowers, my main subjects. So I put my light here, it's something in the orange side of the spectrum, and I've got a bit of warm light on these flowers in this case. So let me try to compose a shot. It's pretty uncomfortable actually, but I can zoom in since I've got 145 millimeters. I just need to find a proper composition. 1/250 f7. Dobar dan, da, izvinjamo se da otvorim vam stazu. Bravo. Regular February Sunday morning in Serbia. Beautiful ladies in the top of the mountain, in the fog. Perfect. And you have to consider your next vacations here. And if you decide, let me know, I'll try to help you. And seems like this trail will be used for some kind of the mountain marathon today. So I have to hurry because I don't want to participate in marathon. I love the separation between those layers of different trees here. In this case, I'll try to zoom in to compress with scene. Bravo, bravo. I have to get out from this trail before the marathon has started. The fog in the mountain forest is that type of conditions when you only can stop shooting when your SD card is full or your battery is dead. Because of this marathon, later I'll have to remove all these red-white ribbons out of my shots. The marathon has started already?
No, I'm running for myself.
Nice. So here, this trail bends not only in horizontal way, but also it bends to the top. And this is such a beautiful angle. Despite the fact the rain has started and this place is getting crowded because of this marathon preparation, I found my shot of the day and I'm about to take it right now. F8 ISO 200 1/250, and I'll try to take different angles of this tree and this table in the fog and all this pine forest in the fog in the distance. This is probably I have to take you out of this tripod and took a panorama of this forest. What I hate about panoramas is that the fact I have to level up my tripod very carefully. So I'll take several vertical shots with 2 seconds timer. Recently some guy on Instagram asked me why do I run this YouTube channel since for more than 2 years my channel doesn't get any success. More than 2 years already, my gosh. And I was thinking how to answer this question, and the answer is this exact moment. Because without my YouTube channel, and by the way, subscribe right now. Without this channel, I will not be here this exact moment. I will not be able to experience this foggy mountain forests, Silent Hill marathon. I will not participate in it without my YouTube channel. This channel forces me to go outside, to take my camera, to take a shot, even if I'm not sure if this shot will work. But because of this channel, I woke up stupid early today. I get here, I'm walking in a beautiful place, in the beautiful conditions, and I'm taking shots, and that's enough. This is it. This is the reason. Let me know in the comments what do you think about my shots of today, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now. It was sunny when I arrived. Why is it raining now? Happy marathon, guys! There is something scary about this forest. Can you see this beautiful branch of the silver birch? The strange fact is that there is no silver birch tree around.